Hi guys, today we have Sanskruti Lonare from Pune basically. She converted Symbiosis Pune campus through SET General and she is our online student, online program. She joined us for the online program and finally she converted Symbiosis Pune campus. Hi Sanskruti,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am also good, I'm also fine, great. So how's the feeling after getting the shortlisted for the Symbiosis?
It's great, sir. It's really great. Finally, I've achieved it. So, have a great feeling.
Great feeling. Okay. So apart from Symbiosis, what are the other exams you have appeared?
So, I appeared for ISME Bangalore.
Okay. So you got selected over there
Yes,
or what?
I have been selected there.
You
But
have been
my first
selected.
preference is symbiosis.
First preference is Symbiosis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So why BBA domain? Why you wanted to go for the BBA?
I somewhere feel I have leadership quality, and pursuing BBA will help me to enhance my quality and skills. So, and I have interest in corporate world more. So,
Okay. Okay.
yes, sir.
Great. So how you have started your preparation and when you got to know about the, okay, I have to write the set general exam to get into the Symbiosis.
Basically, I decided that okay, I have to pursue my BBA in May, but I was totally blank that how should I manage about for my exams, how should I prepare for my exams. Then
Okay.
later in June, like June 1st something, I got to know about Manua. Then I just thought of giving a like chalo, let's see.
दे
Then
देते हैं.
I had a talk with one of our mentors. Then she let me know that okay, this is the process, this is how you teach and everything. So on 1st June, I started in a month. I was just able to cope up with my studies then because with the help of Maneuver.
Okay, great, great. So finally you have achieved your goal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The mentors were too supportive and they were available at whenever we want. I mean, to for this thing.
For the guidance or any query or doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great, great. So during your preparation, what was your battery down moment?
Battery down moments was the too much syllabus and too short time. So how to cope up with studies, like how to handle. Sometimes I used to be like, okay, I'm not able to do it. No, I can't do more. But then, yeah, the lectures and everything from home, the support from home, that made me do this.
Okay, okay, great. So during your preparation, this section you found yourself, यार ये section तो बहुत tough है, लगता है छोड़ना पड़ेगा. And this particular section you find, okay, this is the easiest section. I can bust through this section.
So वैसे बोलो तो maths I would say maths goes a bit difficult, but lectures में they teach from basics. अगर practice करती तो आराम से हो जाता, but as I said you थोड़ा कम time था, तो maths was that this thing कि यार नहीं हो सकता मेरे से.
अच्छा तो मैथ्स तो सबके लिए it's a like कि मैथ्स पहाड़ है भाई नहीं होगा. So either people give up.
Practice करने से होगा, but yeah, that was a difficult part.
Which section you found कि easiest section है ये आराम से हो जाएगा?
In my opinion, logical reasoning and critical understanding, because like if I think critically, then I could have just answered it.
Leader always think critically.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So basically logic was the area where you found yourself comfortable,
Yeah.
and the maths was the toughest side, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How about your GK and English?
English was kind of okay because I was practicing English, reading books, so it was like fine. And talking about GK, I was going through it, but I'm not, frankly speaking, I'm not that good. But yeah, the notes available on the Maneuver site, they made me help. They was helpful.
Okay, and how many mock tests you have appeared?
I just appeared for one, I guess. I wasn't able to crack the mock test.
Okay, okay. So what was your highest score? Do you remember?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, don't remember the mock score. Okay, so you practice from the Maneuver books all the questions or practice
Yes, sir. Yes.
how? Okay, okay.
Like I used to go through the videos first and for practicing the notes.
Okay, okay. So first you watch the entire videos topic को लेकर के, and then once you're done with the concept fundamental how to solve the question, and then you practice by yourself from the
Yes.
books.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And then test. Topic test also you have appeared?
No, sir. No, sir.
Topic test नहीं किया था.
No.
Okay, great. So any kind of a tips or suggestion you want to give to the upcoming year student, those who are planning to write in the year of 2022, 23, 24?
So I would like to say as I said, I was totally blank, that I had no idea that ये कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. But Maneuver is a platform where you get to know each and everything. कि हाँ, ये टेस्ट ऐसे होता है, वहाँ पे बेसिक से सिखाया जाता है. In order that the mentors don't expect कि हाँ बाबा स्टूडेंट को सब पता ही होगा. That मतलब
Right.
बेसिक से सब पता चल जाता है. और the mentors are not in hurry to teach or something like that. They go with the flow. So it's kind of very helpful and great that like flow में सब हो जाता है आराम से.
And last question, what was the mistake you think you have done जो कि दूसरों लोग को नहीं करनी चाहिए?
Mistake.
First mistake, so what I can understand कि late start किया आपने preparation.
हाँ,
So वो अपने को जल्दी करना है. That's
जल्दी
the
करना.
one.
Yes.
What else?
Second thing I think, sir, practice में रहना चाहिए. And हाँ, one more thing I would like to say that many students are shy. अरे यार कैसे पूछूं, ये basic सा सवाल है, कैसे लिखेगा, कॉल करोगे तो I would say the mentors are like so helpful. अगर कुछ भी लगा तो just call करो, पूछो, text करो, पूछो. Don't just be free.
Correct.
The mentors are that free. So
Obviously, you will have, I mean, when you practice the question, then only you come across the doubt. So doubts तभी आएंगे जब हमने मेहनत की है, preparation की है, question को practice किया हुआ है.
yes,
But the
sir.
problem here is if we don't practice, we don't learn by ourselves, तो doubt तो आएगा ही नहीं. And whenever you have a doubt, you need to be open up. You should ask your friends. WhatsApp group होता है आपका, and then you can ask in the live class also. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
there.
Yes,
Great,
sir. Yes,
fine.
sir.
So these two mistakes you should not avoid. Those who are watching this video, कि late preparation चालू नहीं करनी है. You should start your early preparation. In fact, 11th में ही हो तो आपकी preparation चालू कर दो. Don't delay. And second, you need to be consistent during your preparation and should have a proper roadmap. Mentorship guidance तो will be the part of your preparation. But yeah, दो mistakes आपको revise नहीं करनी जो संस्कृति ने की थी. But yeah, finally she got the Symbiosis campus for the BBA program. So once again, congratulations, Sanskriti.
Thank you, sir.
So that's all, guys, in this video, and we'll keep on coming up with more videos regarding the podcast for NPAT, IPM exams, and Symbiosis also. So that's all. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you.